Okay, so first I start off by taking some oil and applying it all over my fingers, and then I like to separate my braids, and it looks really fast in the clip, but I like to go super slow just to make sure I reduce as much frizz as possible. You want to unravel everything. You want to make sure you unravel really slow, like I've said before, and if you run out of oil on your fingers, just add more oil and then continue, just so you reduce as much frizz as possible, because you want to be able to create the frizz and not create the frizz by just unraveling, if you know what I mean. Okay, so once you got everything unraveled, you just want to take some more oil on your fingers and then just start separating anywhere, like literally anywhere. I don't do the whole separate where it naturally separates because it really doesn't work out for me. So what I like to do is just separate wherever I feel that it's like really chunky or it just doesn't go with the rest. So yeah, you just want to separate wherever, and then like I said before, if you run out of oil on your fingers, then add more oil just so you can be able to add the frizz and not have frizz just from taking down. So now I'm just going to shake my roots with my hands and still separate and keep on separating until you get like a desired look. And then sometimes if you separate and like the curl kind of fell out or whatever, you can just twirl it around your finger and it'll just like coil right back up. And now I'm taking the back of this rat tail comb or whatever, and I'm just going to pick at my hair because I don't know where my pick is at. I kind of lost it. So now I'm going to act as if this was my pick, and I'm just going to pick at my roots. And then I'm taking this blow dryer attachment piece and I'm just going to pick at my hair, and I'm going to lift up sections and then pick at my hair. And I know this is like, you've never seen this before, but this is what I do in place of my pick because I lost my pick. So now I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to take a little bit on my edges, and then I'm just going to take my edges toothbrush, edges, not toothbrush for my teeth, and then just swoop my edges, and I like to smooth them just to make sure that they're nice and flat. And that is it.